Yuri Gagarin was born in Russia on March the 9th, 1934 in Klochina, near Moscow, and was the son of a carpenter. Yuri joined the Soviet Air Force in 1955, and by 1959 he was training to become a cosmonaut. In 1960, Gagarin was selected along with 19 other candidates for the Vostok 1 program. Eventually, the program was narrowed down to two possible candidates, Gagarin and German Titov. Both had excellent performances in their training and were short enough to fit in the Vostok cockpit. Gagarin had excellent memory skills, fast reaction time and mathematical skills according to tests, which was why he was selected. But he was perhaps selected also because of his modest background, which suited Soviet Union propaganda, and because the other candidates voted for him. At age 27, on the morning of the 12th of April 1961, cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin was helped into his spacesuit and made his way to the launch pad. He climbed into the Vostok spacecraft, wondering if he would return back to Earth, but was calm. At 9:07 a.m. Moscow time, as the engines rumbled, Gagarin said, "Let's go." The rockets blasted off into space, and in 10 minutes, the Vostok spacecraft separated from the launch rocket. Gagarin was in space. He crossed the Atlantic Ocean, then the Pacific Ocean, and as his spacecraft passed over Africa, he prepared to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere, which would not be easy. He had orbited Earth for 108 minutes during the flight as he made re-entry. As he made re-entry, the cables joining the Vostok descent model to the service model failed to detach properly, almost causing disaster as it violently shook Gagarin, until they eventually pulled apart as he re-entered Earth's atmosphere. He experienced forces up to 8 times the pull of gravity, but remained conscious, because the Vostok spacecraft had no engines to slow down its re-entry upon landing. Gagarin had to reject out and parachute to Earth. He landed safely near the Volga River. Yuri Gagarin received a hero's welcome, winning many medals and titles, including being awarded by Premier Khrushchev Hero of the Soviet Union, which was the highest honor of the nation. He also became an international celebrity as he traveled all over the globe, doing interviews about his historic adventure, promoting the Soviet Union's superiority in space. He died on March the 27th, 1968, during an accident in a military training flight. He was just 34 years old.